Okay, how to find value of x here, right? Actually, this question we can do using two method. I will roughly tell the second method also. To get the value of x, what we should do, right? Yeah, I will explain to you. This is using something, a theorem. We know this theorem, but using turn like this way, right? Then I think I can explain easily like this way. Now if I draw a circle like this, you know already, from a 2 point like this, go to center, right? And then go to circumference, same 2 point, like this way. Now if I thought, from the same 2 point, this 2 point go to center, from same 2 point go to circumference. We know what the rule here. This one is twice of this, if this is 30, this is 60, like that. Not only that, if you thought this 2 point little bit up like this way, right? Still this is same, go to center like this way. From this 2 point go to center, from the same 2 point let's you go to circumference. This will be this angle will be twice of this. If this is 50, this should be 100, like that. But not only that, if I draw, this is now here this 2 point this much, with here little bit up go to, then if I go to like this way, right? Now the same 2 point, this 2 point go to like this way, go to upward like this way, like now here this 2 point go to like this, right? Here 2 point go this way and this way. Even when you have like this way, doesn't matter, it come to the center. Now this way, right? This angle is still this angle, right? This way, this angle twice of this angle, this one, right? That means if this is 100, this will be 200, like that, right? Try to understand. Earlier was like this here, and then go to circumference, then this way go to center, then circumference, then now here this way, then go to center and go to here, like this way. So if this is 100, this will be 200. That's the idea. So here we can think like that way. What the, if this is from the same 2 point go to center, this one, from the same 2 point go to circumference, like this way. So that means if this is 130, this angle should be 260, like this way. That's the thing. You can turn your diagram to get the idea what the represent on clearly. So here 260, right? If this is 260, we can find easily this one. No, how? 360 minus 260, 100. No, this should be 100. Okay, then after, very easily we can find, because we know this is OA and OB, radius of the same circle. That means these two equal. If these two equal, if this is x, this also must be x. But if a isosceles triangle, in an isosceles triangle, opposite, we have two sides equal, opposite angle of that two equal side angle also must be equal. Now this side opposite angle is this one, opposite angle is this one, this side opposite angle is this one. That means these two must be equal. Okay, then you can write what the you can write turn like this way. Now we got the idea now. Okay, then you can write what the 100 plus x equal to 180. So here will be 2x. I will bring 100 to this side. It will be 180 minus 100. That means here 80, here 2x. So divide both sides by 2. Here will be 40. That's the answer for x. But there's another way also. Like I told you earlier, we have another method, but to get this answer, yeah, I will show you quickly that also. For that you have to make construction, right? You have to make a construction like this way. Now we can make construction here, because if you make this construction, for this question it's okay, it has a theorem. Now if I make this way, like this way, I can make like this way, huh? From this same 2 point A and B go to circumference. We know no this angle are same. That's why we can do this way construction here. It doesn't matter. We know these all angles will be equal. That's the thing we use. So we can use it. Now here, if this now they give here 130, then this one should be how much? Because this is a cyclic quadrilateral, right? This is a cyclic quadrilateral. So if this is 130, this should be half of that. That means this should be what the if you from this two add up to 180, in a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angle are 180. We call supplementary opposite angle. Now A, C, B, and if I call this as D, A, B, C, D, this is a cyclic quadrilateral. So if this is 130, this should be 50, right? And then if this is 50, this should be 100. Again, like we did earlier, we can get x then after, right? Like that, we have sometime 2-3 methods to get the same answer.